Mike Ferrara, Chairman and CEO of AdLens is here, and I gotta ask you, Mike, the buzz is big. Tell us how it's going.
Outstanding. Last week we're in Mito in Milan, first Mito. This week we're at two things. The Technology Summit on Wednesday with a co-sponsor, and now Vision Expo East. It's explosive. We've got wonderful customer reactions to our products, John Lennon and our emergency products. So great show.
All right, there is a lot of buzz going on here at the AdLens booth. I'm here with Graham McKenzie, who is with AdLens. What is the buzz all about?
Isn't this incredible? Just look at this booth. It's the first time we've been at Vision Expo East, and we're doing brand building. This is AdLens. We've come out with a new category of eyewear called variable focus eyewear. These are adjustable lenses. You put them on your face, you turn a dial, and you can correct your own vision. And there's a lot of excitement. We have had absolutely no idea how busy we'd be here.
So there are two different kinds of lenses with AdLens, and you're holding the first type. What are the benefits of each? Let's go through each.
All right, so this is what we call the fluid injection lens, and it's a lens, you can imagine, it's got a rigid front and back plate, and there's a thin elastic membrane in between. And what you do is when you turn the dial, you pump fluid into the lens, and that makes the membrane bow outwards. And if you turn it the other way, it makes the membrane bow inwards, and that's how you can go from plus 3.5 diopters all the way through to minus 450. And this has been around since the 1800s, but never before produced until now.
Once you actually get it to the adjustable place you want it, these come off.
That's correct. If you want to remove the adjusters, all you do is you just push down on this red lever and you can remove the adjuster, and then you've got a set of prescription glasses in an instant.
And you look like John Lennon.
Indeed, John Lennon.
Okay, so the second kind that we have, the second type is called the sliding lens.
That's right. So this is a sliding lens technology. It was thought up by a physicist in the 1960s by the name of Louis Alvarez, and it's an ingenious design. You've got two plates that slide over one another, and that allows you to change the power from plus 3 to minus 6, all at the turn of a dial. And he made these in the 1960s, but it cost $1,000 per lens to make. We're now injection molding these in polycarbonate en masse. We can produce hundreds of thousands of these.
And this is really good for those who cannot afford numerous pairs of glasses. If you have a family that can't afford it, or we're even seeing this more in philanthropic situations like in third world countries.
Well, AdLens was actually born out of a philanthropic goal. We were looking at places in the world where people didn't have access to traditional eye care. So the idea of being able to supply people with a pair of glasses that they could use anytime and in any place was, well, obvious, and the benefits were obvious. Even now, in the developed world, there are tremendous applications. Spare pair as a backup for emergency use. I mean, all you have to do is look at the booth to see how much interest this is generating. Have you ever seen John Lennon wearing square glasses? No. Round lenses. This is the iconic imagery from John Lennon. And we showed this to Yoko Ono, and she got so excited about it because we've got a special program that's running with our John Lennon collection that if you buy a pair of glasses, we donate a pair to a program in Rwanda. It's called the Buy One, Give One program. So what you've got is legendary styling, iconic imagery, and do good in the world nature. So this is what this collection is all about, and we're very excited about it.
Let's sum this all up. A lot of buzz. Where do people find them, and where are you selling the AdLens?
Right, we're selling all over the world, from east to west. Japan, Indonesia, China, we're selling throughout Europe, we're selling in South Africa, South America, and importantly here, we've got an office in Boston and you can buy product direct from them. We'll soon be launching an e-commerce site where you can buy directly over that, but we're pretty much available anywhere in the US.
Graham McKenzie from AdLens, thank you so much for joining us and sharing with everyone how modern technology meets legendary styling with a social conscience.